Hey you guys, so we are back at Family Dollar. We got a brand new 5 off of 25 coupon that is good through June 1st. Super excited to go in here and see what I can put together using all digital coupons. Not going to use any paper coupons. I can see from the signs that the red tag clearance is still going on, so I'm hoping they have some good clearance items that I can throw into a transaction as well. So let's go in here and see what we can do.
I've been around, you've stayed away. Oh, I won't let it show. You got a hold on me. I remember the sound of us being loud, so loud, so loud. Just wonder where you're walking and talking, thinking, are you the same? Wonder how you're doing and moving through the crowds every day. And all I wanna know, are you thinking about me? I just gotta know. I just gotta know. So dumb.
Okay, you guys, so this is everything that we are picking up today. My total is actually going to be a little bit under $25. I think I've calculated that it's going to be $24.45. So I'm going to throw in a small filler at the register as well. I'll show you guys whatever filler I threw in after I leave the store. But let me show you what I have so far for my 5 off of 25. So the first thing I'm going to get is these OxyClean Arm & Hammer packs. These are $3.95. I am going to use the $3 off one digital coupon. I'm going to get one of the Scott paper towels. These are the 6 packs. These are $4.50. I'm going to use the $1 off one digital coupon. To get a Suavitel, these are $2.45. We have $1.50 off one digital coupon. I'm going to get one of these Game Flings. These are actually on clearance at my store for $2.25, and we have a $1 off one digital coupon. I am going to get a Gain fabric softener. You could also get the sheets as well. These are on sale for $3.95. We have a $1 off one digital coupon. And then I found a couple clearance items. So this Pantene foam conditioner is on clearance for $3, so it should ring out $1.50. And we have a $1 off one digital coupon. And the Gillette razors, these are on clearance for $6.30, so they should ring out 50% off. We have a $3 off one digital coupon. Then I just threw in these big sensitive razors. They are $3, and we have a $2 off one digital coupon. So let's see how everything works out. That is it. I need to put in my phone number. Hey you guys, so I am back at home, and normally I would have finished up in the car, but I could not finish in the car because it is too hot here in Atlanta. The heat is just sticky, so I had to bring my tail home, but I wanted to finish up and show you guys everything that we got. So as you saw at the register, we did so good, you guys. We did so good. The clearance really came through and made such a difference in my 5 off of 25 transaction. So if you can go through your clearance section and see what you can find, that will really make a difference if you can find some of these items. So we got the Suavitel. I actually switched out the Pantene item that I got. This Pantene hairspray was on clearance for $2.50. So 50% off of that. It actually only rang out for $1.25. And I showed you guys we have a $1 off one digital coupon, making that only 25 cents for the hairspray. I decided to get was the foam cups. They were $1 just for the pack of cups, because I told you guys I was a little bit under $25, so I needed to get my total up. So I threw those in just to get my total up to $25, because I know I could always use those. So let me show you my receipt. In here, the Gillette was $3.15. We used that $3 off coupon, so only 15 cents for that. The Big Shaver was $3. We used that $2 off coupon. That Pantene hairspray, as you can see, it was $1.25. We used that dollar off one coupon. The foam cups, the Scott there, the Suavitel, the OxyClean, the Gain, and as you can see, those Island Fresh Gain Flings, the 16 count, rang out for $2.25, and I used that dollar off coupon. And then there is my 5 off of 25. So my grand total came out to $7 even plus tax, you guys. $7 for all of those items. We had a total savings of $18.50. So yeah, $7 for everything that you see here. I think we did pretty good. Let me know if you guys have any questions. As always, I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I would love to have you. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.